we're going to talk about viruses. So what is a virus? A virus is a very small pathogen. The pathogen is a parasite. So it's a very small parasite that infects cells as their hosts. So to do any of its functions it's supposed to do, it uses a cell. So to reproduce, it makes the cell reproduce it. To get energy, it gets it from the cell. And that's why some scientists debate if it's living or not. So viruses can come in all shapes, as you can see in my image. And they can have some other features, like be enveloped or non-enveloped. Enveloped viruses can be targeted with soap and water, and non-enveloped the opposite. Because soap and water basically targets the lipids on the envelope. So envelopes have lipids. This lipid can be targeted by soap and water. So when it's destroyed by the soap and water, then the virus dies. So this virus is going to go and attach to the cell. So when it bonds, it forms like a key on a lock, and then the cell opens. So then the virus can get in. When it's in, it deposits its RNA. So an RNA is basically the code of life. So every organism has an RNA. So this RNA is going to be read by the ribosomes and the cell will create new viruses. So when the cell sees the RNA or DNA, it will think that it's some messenger RNA. So then the cell will create a protein of that. So then the cell will read it, and then it will make a new lot of viruses. This is called the lytic cycle of the virus. The lysogenic is when the virus puts its RNA inside the cell's DNA, or cell's DNA. So when it puts it in, then when the cell reproduces, it will create copies of this viral RNA. Then, at some point of time, the RNA will get out, and the RNA will, just like this, will be read by the ribosomes, or will be read by the cell, and the cell will create new viruses. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.